A very hearty and warm welcome to all those who have been supporting me throughout this journey. Welcome to my channel, Crockery and Cutlery Tales. The prawn curry recipe which I have brought today is very conventional. The one which we have always been eating since our childhood days, and that is the Malai curry recipe. Coconut lends an exquisite aroma and flavor to this prawn curry. This is a very popular delicacy in the Bengali houses. So let us get started and see how prawn malai curry is made. For the marination of the prawn, I have taken 1.5 piece of onion, little bit of ginger, some garlic pods along with 2-3 pieces of chili. For making the typical malai curry, we generally do not use coriander, but here I am using to lend it a nice aroma. Putting them in the blending jar, we will make it into a thick paste. While blending the mixture, you may need some water to add to make it into a fine paste. I have taken around 300 grams of medium-sized prawns. Try to clean the prawns as precisely as possible. We will require 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of chili powder as already we have used chili in the marinade, half teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice, whichever is available at your hand to lend a pungent flavor to the prawns. Once we have added all the spices into the prawns, we will massage it for around 2 to 3 minutes so that it gets well coated with all the spices. We will give the onion, garlic, chili and coriander paste which we have blended few moments back. Now we need to mix them well with the prawns. If any one of you want to skip this step, they can surely do that and later on add the paste which we have made in the oil while cooking the prawns. But I think this marination for around 30 minutes will help all the flavors of the vegetables to soak in into the prawns. So now we will keep it for 30 minutes and then move on to frying the prawns. The bay leaves in the hot oil will add a nice flavor. Here I have used half bowl of diced onions which we will fry till it sweats and turns translucent in color. The bay leaves along with onions will generate a nice aroma which will enhance all the taste of the prawns. Once the onions are translucent, we will add the marinated prawns. Here I would like to mention one thing. If you want to separately fry the prawns and later on add it to the curry, that also can be done. But for me it is easier and convenient to fry everything together and it won't bring much difference to the taste of the curry. During frying, all the ingredients which have been put here will start releasing water from them We will have to therefore keep it frying till it becomes dry. Here I have added half bowl of desiccated coconut mixture into this. Fresh ones can also be added and that will lend more flavor to the prawn. I did not have it readily available, therefore I had used desiccated coconut mixture. Now we will add half bowl of curd to this curry. We will mix the curd very well to the curry. We will put half teaspoon of chili powder and cumin powder. Let us mix the spices well along with the gravy. Generally, when we eat the prawn malai curry, it is whitish in color. That is the authentic color which we provide to the curry. But I like it little bit red, so I am adding half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder to this curry. This will lend a very rich color to this curry and will look attractive. We will cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes and towards the end we will balance the sweetness of the curry. This is ready to be served. No need of adding water. We usually eat it bit dry. Enjoy this lavish and rich curry for your lunch along with rice. This can also be eaten with fried rice, pulao. This will be an excellent accompaniment for them. Prepare this prawn recipe as soon as possible and let me know in comment section about the recipe. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. We'll meet you all again in another episode of some interesting recipes. Bye bye till then. Take care.